Folks need to come into a mundane manufacturing environment and think that there is an opportunity for them to learn more and to do more. Hey, Lou Mosca, Chief Operating Officer of American Management Services. Welcome to another edition of Straight Talk. And what Jonathan would like me to talk to you about today is recruiting, hiring, and retaining people in a manufacturing environment. So before we chat about that for a second, it's pretty safe to say that almost every industry is having trouble getting people, right? So if you own a restaurant, you're probably not too pleased with your back of the house folks, your front of the house folks getting quality people. If you own a plumbing construction business, nobody wants to be an apprentice. Nobody wants to be a plumber anymore. Young folks don't want to get their hands dirty, right? And if you are a contractor, right, nobody wants to climb roofs and do roofing work and shovel cement anymore. Those days seem to be behind us. But I'm going to give you a trick no matter what industry you're in, and particularly today, manufacturing industry, right? So if you bring people in to just make widgets, one after another, after another, after another, after another, after another, the only way you're going to bring people in is to pay them disproportionately. Pay them some ridiculous amount of money to bring them in, knowing that they're going to leave. Or you can create something that's educational for folks, where while they're doing their manufacturing job or role, you are teaching them new skill sets. So maybe you will teach some folks how to actually go out and sell. Maybe you will teach folks how to be purchasing agents. Maybe you can teach folks how to be quality control people. Maybe you can teach folks how to actually drive a truck or a tractor trailer and go deliver for you. Folks need to come into a mundane manufacturing environment, because most manufacturing environments are relatively mundane, right? And think that there is an opportunity for them to learn more and to do more. And if you do that, you will bring new people in. Now it's up to you to train them and make them feel special. It's up to you to provide them opportunity and development. If you do those pieces, you will bring people into your manufacturing environment, okay? I hope that helps. If you like these Straight Talk videos, do me a favor, do us all a favor, like, share, and subscribe, and we like bringing them to you. Have a great day.